Hey, what up, guys? I just want to share with you how I do my beats under Noise Gang Records. This is DJ Lodzamon out on Noise Gang Records. So let me show you how I arrange my beats from scratch to the end. So let's go. Boom. I have a beat already. I have a beat already on software, which is already on arrangement. So let me just show you how I do it, how I arrange my beats. Let me just play it.